Today we have a product of the 1980s, a Porsche 930 Turbo. It is a favorite of ours because we've done an exceptional amount of work to it, and it's modified in the form of wanting a less expensive roof BTR, restored and built with the best of the best parts and converted to a G50 gearbox. Let's go. All right, so cold start. It's been sitting outside all day, as you can see. It is in a warm-up idle as we speak. We're going to get on the avenue and warm it up because this particular 930 and its horsepower deserves a straight line on the highway. As we said before, it's got a shortened bell housing G50 5-speed with a hydraulic clutch. It's got the best of the best 27 turbo, larger intercooler, roof 4-pipe exhaust. It's got air conditioning that actually works. We've done an enormous amount of maintenance on it and dialing it in, so I can say it is really, really nice and a lot of bang for the buck. Supercar 930. Got a nice VDO boost gauge. It's running 0.9 bar, maybe a touch over, so that you can keep the longevity of a wonderful engine that has been built, maintained, and wants to last. So while we're still warming this up, we can say it's got a lovely radio. It's got a wonderful front spoiler, which Roof used in the day. So did DP Motorsport, which also happens to look exceptionally mean. The car is equipped with partial electric seats. It's got a leather dash, wonderful sunroof. And what I like the most about it is it's Garnet, just not your typical black, white, or red 930. Not that I would, frown upon any of them. But this one's a little bit different. Let's set the mirrors. It is really, really dialed in well. And again, a favorite because of that, because we have touched and felt this car and known it through its last ownership. It does have all service records, ownership history, and a lot of horsepower that is reliable. Okay, well, we are warm. We've corner balanced and aligned this 930, and it's exceptional. We're just gonna cruise a little bit and not get it on it too hard just yet. So right now we're just gonna show you how well it handles. Now, if you turn in, it goes really, really well. Start to driving these 930s, and when they're really, really good, they're great. We've shown you how it can be driven in a spirited manner, and as well as driven on the street as a daily driver, and it is happy to sit in traffic. One of the best products of the 1970s and 80s, the 911 930 Turbo. We're going to drive it mellow once again to show how able it is to be so versatile on part throttle and how angry it can be on full throttle. That's just part throttle. Man, these cars are fun. Dangerous, but fun. We'll exit here on our way to the flybys, where Jason gets out and show you how she sounds from the outside. I guess being a product of the 80s is the reason I really do love these, and this one in particular. We've had a number of roof BTRs, and I really think this is exactly the same for a hell of a lot less money. So here we are, just sort of cruising again, enjoying the foliage because of, well, basically because of Jason. And, you know, Jason, the arborist.
The arborist.
Yeah.
Cruising around in this 9:30, wonderful weather. It's just, I don't know, this is awesome. Now we're going to show how well it does on the back roads as it does in a straight line.
We're just going to drive it and enjoy the back roads, Jason.
That's what I mean.
I know what you mean. We're going to do what I mean. Nice and mellow a little bit. It's always nicer in a straight line if you're going to tempt a 930 turbo, especially one with horsepower like this. Just showing that she likes to corner as well as she likes to go quickly in a straight line. The 5-speed really makes all the difference in the world. The 4-speeds had such a lag, even when they had an exhaust, a big turbo, boost spring. I had to have one more goose. We will drive the remainder of the way to the homestead. Autosport Designs, extremely mellow, and put her away. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.